Zoo animals and their sounds. I can see an elephant. 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 Look, I can see a tiger. A tiger. A tiger. Look, over there, I can see a monkey. A monkey. I can see a monkey. I can see a snake. A snake. Look, it's a snake. Look, there's a chimpanzee. A chimpanzee. I can see a parrot. It's a parrot. Look, it's a parrot. A parrot. What other animals can you find at the zoo?
Transportation sounds. Car. Car. A car goes on the road and passengers can ride in the car too. Bus. Bus. A bus driver drives the bus and people get on and off at bus stops. Motorbike. Motorbike. A motorbike has 2 wheels. The rider sits at the front and one passenger can sit at the back. Tractor. Tractor. Tractors help farmers do the jobs on the farm. They can pull machines or heavy loads. Lorry. Lorry. A lorry is a big vehicle that carries lots of things from one place to another. Bicycle. Bicycle. Bicycles have 2 wheels. Children and adults can ride bikes. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Planes fly in the sky. Passengers can ride in a plane from one country to another. Boat. Boat. Boats travel on water. They can travel in the sea, in rivers, or on a canal. Train. Train. A train goes along the tracks. Passengers get on and off at stations. Car. Bus. Motorbike. Tractor. Lorry. bicycle, aeroplane, boat, train.
Farm animals and their sounds. Cow, 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 cow. Sheep, 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 sheep. Pig, 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 pigs. Horse, horse, horse. Horses. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Chicks, duck, 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 ducks. Donkey, donkey, donkey. Goose, goose, goose. Geese, dog, dog, dog. What animal sounds can you make?